Hey, what's up everyone? I'm reviewing the PUIBERS. Man, I hope I'm saying that right. Electronic torque wrench. Comes with all these different fittings. It has your regular handle there. It has some extensions. And just real quick, I'm going to come over here to one of our light sockets. This is the face of it. You can do your different settings here. If I can get that in there, and then when you get to the torque you want, it lets you know. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be a handy piece of equipment to have. Looking forward to using it.